All right, folks. So next video, I installed the last 3 lights. So they actually, the last 3 lights made an even bigger difference. So I kind of let you see inside, see what it looks like. You can see how bright it was out here from it. I mean, from inside, even my 20-foot, ramp driveway here into the shop is lit up. You know what I mean? So, but yes, there you go. I got the 3 in the middle there. So, Hyperlight recommended 15 total lights, and honestly, I got 13. 10 I was happy. 13 absolutely good. So 15 probably would have been overkill for me, but it definitely would have been bright enough. So yeah, so I finished the wiring, and now next step, next week when I get back from this business trip I got to go on, I'll come back and I'll remove the lights and pull the outlets, so that way I can install insulation and then can get the drywall put up. So, but you can see it's a huge, I mean, it's absolutely crazy how bright it is in here. So definitely happy I went this route with the lights. No questions asked. This was absolutely the right decision. I'll give you a look from the other angle here. So this is from the other side of the building. You can see the lights are definitely deliver. So super happy with them. So I got most of the wiring. I was able to hide most of the wiring. I started running low on cables, so I couldn't make it as pretty on this light, running it down the rafter and making it all nice. I really didn't want to go trash that cable length just to make it look pretty like the rest of it, but I got the rest of the wire ran pretty nicely, so, and tucked away, so you can't really see it easily except for the middle row here, obviously. So now all I have to do, I gotta run another line of 12-2 wire all the way down to the far wall and down, so that way I can power the outlet box. They're gonna be over there. I'm gonna have one outlet box on that section and then one more right straight ahead there. And then I gotta run one more wire here for the TV that's gonna go there. And then there's gonna be a TV here as well. So gotta run outlets there. And yeah, but it's coming together nicely. So yeah, so like I said, I got everything mocked up kind of where I want them, so I can, but yeah, here, these are the switches. That's row 3, row 2, row 1. Absolutely crazy. This is just the middle row. Okay. I'm gonna hit row 1 and then hit row 3. And there it is.